Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video presentation. My name is Diliangga Pramana for Master Program in English Education at Indra Persata Pagiri University. This video is my final examination for the English department under the guidance of Professor Dr. Masadi Said MPD. I'd like to present my final academic speaking presentation entitled Using Social Media to Boost UVL Learning. Introduction. In the contemporary digital landscape, social media has become an integral part of our daily communication. However, beyond its social function, social media also holds significant potential as a pedagogical tool, particularly in the field of English as a foreign language or EVL. Traditionally, EVL learning has been confined to classroom interaction and textbook-based interaction. As a result, learners often experience limited exposure to authentic language use. In contrast, social media provides a space where English is used naturally, interactively, and continuously. Therefore, integrating social media into EVL instruction might help bridge the gap between formal learning and real-life language practice. In the digital era, social media has fundamentally transformed how individuals communicate, collaborate, and learn. For EPL learner, this platform other authentic, interactive, and learner-centered environments. This presentation aims to examine the pedagogical potential of social media, enhancing EVL learning by viewing it through established learning theories and practical classroom implementation. The discussion emphasizes not only opportunities but also critical challenges and ethical consideration. This is my outline. This presentation will be structured into 5 main sections. First, I will explain the conceptual framework of social media in EVL learning. Second, I will explain the theoretical benefit for language acquisition. Third, I will outline pedagogical strategies for teachers. Fourth, I will address challenges and ethical concerns. Finally, I will conclude with a brief summary and reflection. Conceptual framework. From a theoretical standpoint, language learning occurs through interaction, collaboration, and meaningful communication. Social media align closely with sociocultural theory and constructivist learning theory, which emphasize the role of social interaction and knowledge construction. Within digital disclosure communities, learners actively negotiate, meaning share ideas, and construct knowledge. Thus, learning becomes a social mediated process rather than a passive reception of information. Role of social media in EVL. Social media contributes to EVL learning in several significant ways. First, it facilitates authentic language exposure beyond classroom materials. Second, it encourages the development of communicative competence through real-life interaction. Third, it supports learner autonomy, allowing students to control their learning pace and content. As a result, learners become more confident and engaged in using English meaningfully. From the perspective of second language acquisition, social media enhance input, output, and interaction, which are essential components of language development. Furthermore, it supports the development of pragmatic complaints and disclosure awareness, as learners closer how language is used appropriately in different contexts. Importantly, social media also increases motivation and engagement, especially among digital native learners. Social media platform. Different social media platforms serve differently pedagogical function. For instance, YouTube support academic listening, pronunciation modeling, and content-based learning. Instagram and TikTok promote micro-learning, vocabulary acquisition, and multimodal input. Facebook and WhatsApp enable collaborative learning and feedback. Meanwhile, X or Twitter encourage concise academic writing and critical reading. To ensure effectively implementation, teacher must adopt clear pedagogical strategies. Social media activities should be aligned with learning objective and curriculum outcomes. Teachers are encouraged to design task-based and project-based activities that promote meaningful communication. Additionally, integrating reflection and critical discussion analysis help learners develop higher order thinking skill. Clear digital learning guidelines must also be established. Despite its advantages, social media also presents several challenges. These include digital distraction, cognitive overload, and concerns related to privacy and online ethics. Moreover, unequal access to digital resources may lead to educational inequality. Therefore, teacher supervisor and ethical guidance are crucial to ensure responsible and effective use. In conclusion, social media offer substantial pedagogical value for EVL learning. However, its effectiveness depends on theoretical grounding, instructional design, and responsible integration. When used appropriately, social media can enhance language competence, learner autonomy, and motivation. Thus, social media should be viewed not as replacement for formal instruction, but as a complementary pedagogical tool. Thank you very much for your attention. I sincerely appreciated this opportunity to present my ideas and engage in this academic content. See you!